What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best doorbell cameras to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
We have the next evolution in ding-dong technology, Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. First thing that we're gonna pull out is the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. As you can see, Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is slightly larger than the original Wyze Video Doorbell. And that's for good reason. One of the reasons why is because it has an internal lithium battery that lasts up to 6 months. Next is all your mounting equipment. This doorbell could be installed with a wire-free, screw-free option. It also comes with all the hardware that you need to wire the doorbell permanently. Next is the Chime, which is included, by the way. With a lot of other companies, you may have to purchase it separately. You can place this Chime anywhere in your house, and it will alert you with up to 8 different sound levels and 20 different chimes. You can have it bark, you can have it ding, you can have it dong. It's all up to you. Last thing coming out of the box is the micro USB charge cable. You'll find a horizontal wedge. You install this behind your doorbell to get a better view angle depending on where you want it to be located near your front door. Okay, so that's everything that comes inside the box. Now let's take a look at a few features that really make Wyze Video Doorbell Pro shine. One of the main upgrades with Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is that you have 2 simple installation options. One is a wire-free, screw-free installation option and uses battery power. And the other one can be mounted permanently for continuous power. Another unique feature is this doorbell has a 1:1 aspect ratio. That means you'll be able to see more of your front porch top to bottom and side to side. We also made sure that the connection to your doorbell will be faster and stronger than ever with dual band Wi-Fi connectivity. A few other bells and whistles. This model was upgraded with passive infrared. What that means for you in the end is you'll get less false alerts and you'll be able to conserve more battery. And it comes with features that you would come to expect, like IP65 weather resistance. That means it'll stand up to any weather that's out there. Plus, it's got 2-way talk, so you can answer your doorbell from anywhere in the world.
This is the battery-powered Nest Doorbell from Google, an intelligent doorbell with a built-in camera that lets you answer your door from anywhere. So let's say you're out, grabbing some groceries. Nest Doorbell's built-in intelligence will alert you if it spots a person, package, animal, or vehicle. It can even recognize familiar faces, so it'll tell you when your kids get home and show you a head-to-toe view of the surprise they brought.
Eleanor, is that a duck?
Yep, the doorbell has a built-in mic and speaker that let you chat with whoever's there from wherever you are. This wire-free doorbell also comes in 4 different colors and has a built-in rechargeable battery, which means it can be installed in any type of home and is easy to set up yourself. Or you can have it wired in like a regular doorbell and never have to charge it. It even lets you send a quick, pre-recorded response with a tap.
We'll be right there.
Now say a storm passes through and the power and Wi-Fi go out. All good. Nest Doorbell's battery lets it record even when the power's out. It can store up to an hour of recorded events on its local memory. So once the Wi-Fi's back, you can see how your house handled the storm. Speaking of going back in time, Nest Doorbell's video history lets you rewatch events from up to the past 3 hours, so you can find out what happened to your bike. Wow, really? And if you want even more video history, sign up for Nest Aware in the Google Store. Starting at $6 a month, you'll get 30 days of event playback from your Nest Doorbell, and all your other Nest cams and displays too. Okay, let's say it's late, and you hear a noise outside.
Hey Google, show me the front door camera.
Now you can check in from bed and get a clear picture with night vision. I guess somebody found the dog door. Just tap in to say,
Edgar, stay. Good duck.
So yeah, keep an eye on your door from anywhere. That's the battery-powered Nest Doorbell from Google.
Meet the new Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free. This video doorbell is packed with great features. It records in HD video with HDR, has a wide 180-degree diagonal viewing angle, and a unique 1:1 aspect ratio. Optimized for the front door, so you can see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground. Deter unwanted guests with a built-in siren. Hear and speak to visitors with a two-way audio feature. Here's what's included in the box. Attached to the doorbell is the flat mounting plate. The included release pin is used to remove the plate prior to your video doorbell installation. Keep this release pin in a safe place to use later. This is the optional angled mounting plate. Use this plate to provide a better view if your doorbell doesn't face an ideal direction. Here's the long-lasting rechargeable battery and the battery charging cable. This is the wall mount screw kit for mounting. Here's the wire extension kit, in case you need additional wire length to connect your video doorbell when choosing to hardwire to an existing doorbell and chime system to enable continuous charging. The quick start guide will help walk you through the initial setup steps. Setup is quick and easy. Please check out our how-to video for information on how to set up your Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free.
Meet the Ring Video Doorbell 4, the newest version of our signature doorbell.
Hey! Oh, hey!
That works on any home. Get alerts right on your phone.
Hey, I didn't order that for you guys.
Sorry.
Color pre-roll video starts recording before you even get a motion alert, so you never miss a moment. It's the first feature of its kind for battery doorbells, and it's only on Ring.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Can't get to the phone? Let Quick Replies take a message for you.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Voicemail for your doorbell? That's awesome.
And they're handy when you've got better things to do.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Even the doorbells now.
And it's all right in the Ring app. Connects with Ring cameras, Ring alarm, lights, locks, and Alexa.
Hey, are you ready? Hey guys, I'll be right there. Awesome.
The Ring Video Doorbell 4. The advanced protecting, message taking, enhanced recording, next generation video doorbell from Ring.
This is Vanessa, and this is Blink Video Doorbell. With Video Doorbell, you can answer the door no matter where you are or what you're up to.
Just leave it by the door. Thanks.
Set up wire-free with long-lasting battery life or connect to your existing doorbell wiring to also sound your in-home chime.
Grandma! You ready to go to school?
Plus, get alerts from the app whenever someone presses Video Doorbell or motion is detected. So you can do this.
Hi! Totally forgot you were coming. Thanks for walking Charlie.
Yeah, no problem.
And this.
Hi, honey. How was school?
It was great! Video Doorbell helps deliver peace of mind anytime, anywhere.
Alexa, answer the front door.
And helps make life safer and easier.
Looks like Mom's home. Let's go help her.
Mom! Aw, thank you guys.
Blink and you're home.
So that's it for the top 5 best doorbell cameras to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.